My name is Tornike Matsaberidze. I was born and raised in Tbilisi. In my free time, I try to combine my hobbies and my work, and I work as a ski instructor. Georgia is a developing country, and you can feel that a lot in Tbilisi. Tbilisi is a mix of a lot of cultures, and you can find anything in this city. Something's always happening. This is a city that never rests. Skiing scene in Georgia is like a paradise for a skier. For me, in my childhood, it was easy to get to the mountains because from the capital, it's just 1.5 hour drive. Apart from the resorts in the Great Caucasus, we also have resorts in Lesser Caucasus. There is a resort called Bakuriani. My favorite part about Bakuriani is that you can easily find fresh snow. There's not much people skiing in powder, and the ones that you meet are instantly your friends. There's a place called Goderdzi, which I think is the place where everybody has learned how to ski, including me. When I was 8 years old, in Goderdzi there's something for everyone. Ski guide in Goderdzi, I feel like a kid in a toy store which is told by parents that you can choose anything, because I can just tell the jet ski driver, let's go on this mountain and ski down there, and sometimes I don't even believe it, I'm doing it. Famous for expressing emotions, but I randomly scream when I go down, and also being a guide, I feel also very happy when I hear these happy noises of my friends coming behind me.